Sunday night gap fill. I'm going to show you guys a trade here on the Sunday night open, locking in $1,500. I know. I said I wasn't going to trade for the rest of the year, but I'll explain more on why I'm trading now and what my plan is going into the end of the year and all that fun stuff. But let me show you this live trade right here. Trading in 3 Top Step Express funded accounts, locking in over $1,500 in this trade, showing you the entry, the plan, and all that fun stuff right here, right now. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna take a short right here, see if I get filled, and try to get this gap fill here on the Nasdaq. Let's pull back here. Just go for 10 points or so. Trying to get this gap fill. We get down here below this 20 area, try to get this fill of this opening gap here on Sunday. Keep my stop right here above this 30 level, which was a resistance here on Friday at the close there, but seeing if we can get down into this level. Moving my stop right below my entry there. I'm going to move my target down here a little bit, see if we can't get all the way in to fill this gap. So we got the low of this candle 20, the close there on Friday being this like 15 level. So we're going for 10 points here. We just need to lose this support there at the 20s and get down here into the lows there. So right now we're trading on 3 express funded accounts, 3 contracts across 3 accounts, so 9 total contracts. I want to watch this stop just in case we pop. I don't want to get stopped out just in case it pops back up. So we're still short here, looking for this gap fill on this Sunday open. We push back up, kind of just stuck here now. Was hoping we'd get that like quick move right down in there and fill that gap here, but giving it a little bit of time. Watching the price action here. The dollar just looking weak. Need that dollar to pop back up. I don't like that dollar right now. Dollar's kind of moving down here, so hopefully we can get this right through the 20s now. Looking for that 10-point push or 10-point drop here on this short. You can see we're short from the 27s. There we go, 19s. I'm going to put my target right here, 18s. And see if we can get filled here. So working nicely. Almost there at the 19s right now. Trying to get filled here, 18, $500. Getting filled. Perfect. So we filled all 3 express funded accounts right there. This is probably one of my, I don't want to say favorite setups, but definitely something to keep an eye on. Sunday open, right? You get Sunday open. Look at this gap. We basically opened up with only about a 4 or 5 point gap, but with that big push up like this, there's always a really good probability that we kind of pull back into this gap and we kind of fill that gap. So this is the Sunday night, 6 p.m. gap opening. Gap opening there. And you can see how that kind of played out there. And we got that move down. Locking in $585 there in the express fund accounts, 3 accounts with the Top Step trading here, just trading 3 contracts. And I'll be done trading the express fund accounts after that, basically $500, $1,500. Trading the express fund accounts with this little gap fill here on a Sunday night. It's 6:13 right now. And basically had this big pop up. Probably could have got a better short on it there. It was not the best possible short, but there you can see how we kind of pulled back 15s now, and we basically got 10 points there on that move. So 3 contracts times 3 accounts, locking in a little over $1,500 here on this Sunday afternoon. I know I said kind of like, spend more time thinking about it. I'm like, look, we know what we need to do. We just got to stop fucking around. We're going to size down. We're going to focus on getting some good setups. Like, this is a go-to setup for me. Gaps love to get filled. I've always talked about this. Everyone knows that I'm a big fan of these types of setups. So today I was like, okay, we'll see what happens. If we get the gap, we'll look for the gap to get filled. And that's exactly what we did. So I think that's just part of it, right? Just getting back into the zone. Number one, knowing that I know what I need to do, right? It's a process. I'm going through a little pullback here. I got to get focused. It's not that I can't make money. The problem is for me, I'm giving back a lot of the profits. So here today, perfect example of just making $1,500 here in these accounts and then just walking away and being done with it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go now grab some food And yeah, I'll probably not be live streaming most of the days this week. Gonna be doing a lot of fishing and all that fun stuff this week and enjoying the holidays, but I might check in every once in a while. Maybe Wednesday, I'll let you guys know. But I wanted you to kind of see that I am still trading. I'm trying to be transparent, show you guys the process. I'm going to try to share my journey to getting back to a point where I feel like I'm confident and I feel good about my trades and all that fun stuff. So if you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. If you enjoy these videos, go ahead and blow it up. Like button, subscribe button down below. I'll talk to you guys later on.